Gago mo? Ano nangyari?
Ano?
Na-empacho. Kailangan alagaan mo eh. Parang may pet ka.
Drop it.
Yes mga brad, how are you today? At ngayon, unboxing na naman tayo. At bumili kami ng, hindi pala ako, yung mga anak ko. Binilhan ni Donna, no? Ng Tamagotchi. So, ito yung original mga brad. So, isa-isa nating titignan. Meron tayo ditong Gen 1 at yung isa ay Gen 2. Ang pinagkaiba, hindi ko rin alam. Sila ang nakakaalam. At least matratry nila ngayon at may experience ang talagang Tamagotchi. If you remember, binili nila yung Disney. Yeah, yung Bitsy. Show naman. Ito yun. Yan, no? So, ngayon, nagsawa na sila. I-open natin. Yan. Diba? Napaka-high-tech. Ngayon, ang gusto nila ay low-tech. So, ate will help me to open it. Okay, so start with the Gen 1 ate. There you go. Yeah, haba-haba ng kuwan. Okay. So this one costs how much? We'll show them. It's $149. Yung nga eh. Not E. So ang sabi naman nila, ang pinagkaiba lang nila ay yung sa graphic. Wala namang masyadong pinagkaiba, no? You got it there. Now she open. And this one, green is kay boards. Ayun. It's color green. Like my favorite color. Kaya guys siya. Yan. Saan you want to open? Prepare to start. So let him start. I don't know how to open the pull. Yeah, remove that first. Whoa! That's a start. Alam mo, ang problema dito, addicting siya.
Yeah.
Because you need to raise it, feed, let it take shower, right?
Yeah.
I'm not really sure, mga
You need to
brad.
really take care of it.
Kasi for me, hindi ko talaga siya na-try laruin. And now, that's how you're gonna play. So they're starting. And then they will set the time. Or it's already set the time. Okay. Is that the one? Of course, no reading of manuals na naman. Yun tayo eh. Next one. Let's try it later. And then this one, the Gen 2. Gen 2, syempre, pink. Napaka-obvious naman. Is for ate. Yan. Nagkatalo-talo lang talaga sila sa kulay mga brad eh. Hindi kung Gen 1 o Gen 2. You don't care about it. Yun. Wow, nice color. Yan. Go. May itlog ka na. It started. Is it gonna hatch or what? I don't know.
I think for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Yeah, you're right. So, how about the other one? Can you pair them? There you go. So, beside the color, and then the graphics. As you can see, they have different graphics. This is the Gen 1, and this is the Gen 2. So you must be a responsible parent for your Tamagotchi. Okay, Sensen? Ate?
Okay.
Nangingitlog na. So, hintayin natin. So, we'll wait. Okay, mga Brad? And now, yung isa, mga Brad, ito na po. Yeah, yung isa nangitlog na. Hindi natin narinig. Itong kay ate, mangingitlog pa lang. Pick it up. Show them. Yun! It's a warning. Warning. Yeah, that's the sound, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that shit done?
That's it?
What did you press? Oh, there.
Yun na yun pala, mga Brad. So, yan yung nangitlog na. It came out.
Yeah.
Okay. So, that's Tamagotchi. What would be his name? Her name? Duno. Yan po. So, dalawa, yan din yung difference niya, mga Brad, oh. Color black ito. Itong isa. Ito, si Gen 1. Ito naman, wala siyang kulay. Itong Gen 2. So, same button pa rin siya. Button.
Yeah.
Pa rin siya. So, what are the button, ate? This is A, B, and C?
Yeah, A.
So, A, B, and C. So, same thing, mga Brad. Same price rin, no, mami?
Yeah.
It's 149 QR. Yun. So, enjoy na naman po sila, mga Brad. Hanggang magsawa na naman sila. Are you going to get tired about it, ate?
No.
With it? Ayan, no, yung yung graphic same lang din. Pero yung background niya is iba. Ito ganyan. Ito ganito. Isn't it amazing, mga Brad? Comment down below, mga Brad, yung mga naglaro dyan. Kung same thing din. Pati nga rin tong niya, pareho lang yan ang tawag dito. Chain, yeah, chain So, pwedeng ilagay na sa cellphone. Ganon. Yeah. Pretty color din siya. You play with it, ate. So, what are you going to do? Feed? Ayan. So, you show that one, how you feed them.
There, I feed.
No, show nga. And then the other one also. So that we can see the difference. That one is drawing. Oh, and then the other one, you look.
Meal
See?
or snack.
It's meal or snack. Oh, you try. Parang pakman. Ang takaw naman nila. Ilang beses mo sila papakainin?
I don't know.
So meal is heavier, right? So snack is just like a sandwich. So para sa inyo, mga brada, na mas maganda, si Gen 1 o Gen 2? Ano nangyari?
Don't know.
Naimpacho! Nancy, dumidighay siya.
What?
Dumidighay, he's burping.
You made it.
Or he's hungry. Nakaka-amaze, mga brad. May pressure na kailangan alagaan mo eh. Parang may pet ka. Gago mo? Tuyo, oy. Ano nangyari?
I don't know.
Pakainin mo ulit. Magutom pa. What's the select items? What are those?
It's the same like this one.
Below.
Meal or snack.
No, I mean to say below. I can see something there. When you're pressing something and then there something is... Oh, that one. Oh, what's that? Duck?
Okay, hindi ka na ba?
Bat?
I don't know what happened.
So, pag-aaralan muna nila, mga brad. It's their first time to play it. And I hope they enjoy. So, try nyo uli, mga brad. Mga batang 90s. Welcome back to this era. Okay?